Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Small Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Lesson number 11. It's about calculating profit in both absolute and percentage terms. By the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to A. Define profit, cost price, and selling price. Letter B. Differentiate between absolute profit and profit percentage. Letter D. Apply the formulas for calculating absolute profit and profit percentage. Letter E. Solve real-life problems involving profit computations. Letter F. Analyze the importance of profit calculation in making sound business decisions. So those are the intended learning outcomes, ILOs, of this lesson number 11. What is profit? Profit is the financial gain obtained when the selling price of a product or service is greater than its cost price, CP. Cost price, CP, is the amount spent to purchase or produce an item. Selling price, SP, is the amount for which an item is sold. Profit, the difference between the selling price and the cost price. So the profit is the selling price minus the cost price. Absolute profit. Absolute profit refers to the actual peso amount obtained after selling a product. Formula, absolute profit is equals to the SP minus CP. Example, a store buys a shirt at 400 pesos and CP and sells it for 500 SP. So the profit is 500 minus 400, 100 pesos. And the absolute profit is 100 pesos. Profit percentage. So profit percentage measures how much profit is made relative to the cost price expressed as a percent. So formula, profit in terms of percent is profit over cost price times 100. Example, using the same shirt example, the cost price is 400, SP is 500, profit is 100 pesos. So, the profit percent is 100 divided by 400 times 100% is equivalent to 25%. Why calculate profit? Well, we need to calculate profit to measure business success and then to set competitive prices and then to make decisions about whether to continue or stop selling a product. And then the last, to evaluate the efficiency of business strategies. Key takeaways. So absolute profit is the selling price minus the cost price, and that is the peso amount gain. And profit in terms of percent is profit divided by the cost price times 100. And that is the profit relative to cost. Both absolute profit and percentage profit are essential in business decision making. So formulas to keep in mind. So first is the profit, the absolute profit. Profit is selling price SP minus cost price CP. Number 2, profit percentage. Profit percentage is equals to profit over the cost price times 100%. Number 3, selling price when profit is down. So selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Number 4, cost price when profit and SP are known. So use the formula SP is equal to CP plus profit. So the known here is the profit and the SP, so you can get the CP. So just use your knowledge in algebra. Number 5, the profit in terms of percentage, a direct formula. So you have SP is equal to CP times 1 plus profit in terms of percent divided by 100. And the key terms to emphasize for the learners, CP is the original price. The original purchase price of the item. SP is the price at which the item is sold. Profit is the extra amount earned when SP is greater than CP. Profit percentage shows how much profit is earned relative to the cost. And practice problems. Problem number 1. A store buys a bag for 800 pesos and sells it for 1,000 pesos. Compute the absolute profit. Compute also the percentage profit. So given CP 800 pesos, SP 100 pesos, require the absolute profit and the percentage profit. So the profit is SP minus CP. Substitute the given data, your answer is 200. And the percent profit is equals to the profit divided by CP times 100. Substitute the calculated profit and the given cost price. And the final answer is 25%. So, final answers for profit, 200 pesos. The profit in terms of percent is 25%. Number 2, a cell phone was bought at 12,500 pesos and sold at 14,000 pesos. Find the profit in absolute terms. Find the profit in percentage terms. Given CP 12,500, SP 14,000 pesos. So required the absolute profit and the percentage profit. Solution. So the profit is equal to the SP minus CP. Substitute the given data, you will be getting 1,500 pesos. And to get the profit in terms of percent, the profit divided by the cost price, substitute the calculated profit and the given cost price. So your answer is 12%. So final answer, profit 1,500 pesos and profit in terms of percent 12%. Number 3, a laptop was purchased by a retailer at 35,000 pesos. It was sold at 38,500 pesos. Calculate the absolute profit. So, calculate also the percentage profit. So, we're given CP 35,000 pesos, SP 38,500. We are required to obtain the absolute profit together with the percentage profit. So, solution, profit is equal to SP minus CP. Substitute the given data, the answer is 3,500. And the profit percent is equal to the profit divided by the cost price times 100%. Substitute the calculated profit and the given cost price. The answer is 10%. Final answers are profit 3,500, the absolute profit 3,500, the profit in terms of percent 10%. Number 4, a book costs the store 120 pesos and is sold for 150 pesos. Determine the profit amount and find the percentage profit. So given CP 420 pesos, SP 150 pesos, required profit amount, and also the percentage profit. Use the formula for profit. You have SP minus CP. Substitute the given data. The answer is 30 pesos. And then, the profit in terms of percent, that's the absolute profit divided by the price. So substitute the calculated profit and the given cost price. Your answer is 25%. So final answer, profit 30 pesos. Profit in terms of percent, 25%. Number 5, a piece of furniture was bought for 9,000 pesos and sold for 9,900 pesos. What is the profit amount? What is the profit percentage? So, given CP 9,000 pesos, SP 9,900 pesos, required profit amount and the profit percentage. So, solution, profit 9,900 minus 9,900 pesos. The profit in terms of percentage is 900 divided by 9,000 times 100%, and that is 10%. So final answer, profit 900 pesos, profit in terms of percent, 10%. Number 6, a school uniform costs a tailor 450 pesos to make. He sells it for 525 pesos. Compute the absolute profit, compute the percentage, profit percentage. So given CP 450 pesos, SP 525 pesos, require the absolute profit and the profit percentage. So solution, profit is equals to the SP minus CP. Substitute the given data. The answer is 75 pesos. The profit percent is equal to the calculated profit divided by the cost price, and the answer is 16.67%, rounded to 2 decimal places. So the final answer is, final answers are absolute profit 75 pesos, and the profit in terms of percent is 16.67%. We will have the next part of this lesson, number 11.